The Elegant Vagabond. A guide to moving through life, love, and society with charm, wit, and impeccable timing. Welcome to The Elegant Vagabond, the show that teaches you the fine art of navigating life with effortless grace. Whether you're walking into a grand soirée, stepping onto a train bound for nowhere in particular, or slipping away from a conversation just before it turns dull. This is not a show about settling down. It's about moving with intention, engaging deeply, and leaving an impression that lingers long after you're gone. It's about knowing when to arrive, when to stay, and when to vanish like a well-placed ellipsis. What to expect. Each episode is a lesson in social mastery, blending timeless etiquette with modern finesse, because while the world may have changed, the rules of charm, wit, and influence remain eternal. You'll learn how to make an entrance that turns heads and earns invitations, float between worlds, from high society to hidden corners, without missing a step. Master the art of connection, from fleeting romances to lifelong allies. Become a mystery worth remembering, balancing presence with the power of a well-timed absence. Speak with elegance, exit with precision, and live with a touch of intrigue. This isn't about being reckless, it's about being deliberate in your movement through life. Every moment is an opportunity, every meeting a story, every departure a signature. So whether you're a social nomad, a strategic wanderer, or just someone who enjoys the thrill of knowing you could leave at any moment, the Elegant Vagabond is your guide to mastering the art of movement, charm, and a life well lived. Stay briefly, speak wisely, leave impeccably.